It's so big. I don't want to go in.
Welcome to Speaker of English. I'm Daniel.
And I'm Mia, and we're here to help you speak English with more confidence and joy.
So today we have a really simple but powerful story about a boy named Ethan.
Yeah, and honestly, this is something almost everyone can relate to, especially the first day of school.
The story starts at home. Ethan's mom says,
Ethan, it's time for school.
And Ethan is already feeling scared. He says,
I don't want to go.
His mom asks, why not?
and he replies very honestly,
I feel nervous.
His mom tries to calm him down. She says,
It's okay. You will be fine.
but Ethan is still worried.
What if I make a mistake?
and this line is important. She says,
That's okay. Just try.
but before going to school, Ethan starts crying.
Now the emotion gets stronger. Ethan is crying more.
Please, I don't want to go.
And instead of forcing him, his mom says,
I understand.
That's powerful. She acknowledges his feelings.
then she adds,
But you are strong.
Ethan asks,
What if I can't speak?
and she gives him a very simple solution. Just say,
It's okay. You can try. Just say one sentence. My name is Ethan.
My name is Ethan.
that's the first small win.
and she encourages him. See, you can do it.
Okay, I will try. Come on, let's go.
Now they reach the school.
Ethan looks at the building and says, It's so big.
I still feel scared.
He's still scared.
But his mom says,
That's okay. I'm right here.
Come on, let's go in.
Okay.
As they walk inside, Ethan whispers, Everyone is looking at me.
Everyone is looking at me, Bo.
Just stay calm.
They enter the classroom. The teacher says,
Hello.
Hi, this is Ethan. It's his first day.
Welcome, Ethan.
then his mom leaves.
and now reality hits.
Ethan sits alone, thinking, I feel alone.
But then something changes.
Another boy comes and says, Hi.
Can I sit here? Yes.
What is your name?
My name is Ethan.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Ethan.
Then basic conversation. How are you?
I'm fine. Where do you live? I live near the park. What do you like? I like soccer.
And now Ethan realizes something.
Ethan says, This is not so bad.
In class, teacher asks everyone to introduce themselves.
And this time, Ethan speaks.
My name is Ethan. I like soccer.
You are doing great.
Hello, Ethan.
Then comes break time.
His new friend says,
Come, let's play.
And now Ethan is enjoying.
This is fun.
And this is the key moment.
Ethan thinks,
I was so scared. But it's not scary now.
school ends.
Mom asks,
How was your day?
It was good. I made a friend.
I'm proud of you.
I was scared, but I did it.
And honestly, this story is not just about Ethan. First day of school, first job, first video, learning English, anything. You don't need to be perfect.
And just like Ethan, slowly things start to get easier.
So if you want to improve your English in a simple and natural way,
Don't forget to subscribe Speaker of English so you don't miss the next lesson.
And the more you practice,
We'll see you in the next episode.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.